guys, it's April. It's been a really hectic week. I am about to head out of town and I wanted to at least release a file for you guys before I left. So it's going to be quick and simple. You're going to need Oreos. I've got the Halloween ones with the orange stuffed. I think they come in other colors too. So whatever you can find will work. And you can convert this file and use it for other holidays as well. From Christmas to elf shoes, Santa shoes, all sorts of stuff. I did not have a clear treat bag. Well, I did, but they wouldn't fit in this. You need one that is just a little bit wider because this is for pretzels and it needs to be wider than that. But it needs to also be at least, I'm going to say 6 or 7 inches tall, so that you have room to close it. So I just used saran wrap to do this tutorial with. And then you're going to need some ribbons, and you're going to need whatever colors. I'm going to be using orange, purple, and green. And then your cardstock and your file. And you can decorate this up any way that you want. So we're just going to pretend that I have that in its little baggie. And then you have your shoes. And then you're going to see that one is slightly different than the other. You're going to glue this on right there just to make your points, okay? So we're just going to take a little bit of glue, and you can see that there's not a score line here. You really don't need one. You're just going to get that lined up. It's a really quick, super simple, easy file. Okay, and then you have a score line here, and I'm just going to go ahead and fold that. Actually, it should probably come back, but that's okay. Doesn't matter. It'll work out. So we're just going to fold those. And then you're going to take your big orange square. And then decide if you want your green or purple on the top. I'm just going to dab a little bit of glue down there on that. I'm going to put that green at the top of mine. And then we're going to put the purple one on. Just a little bit of glue. And then we're going to take our shoe piece right here. Got my needle stuck to it. And we're just going to throw some glue right there between our score lines. We're going to glue it right to the bottom of that square. Just keep it flush. I had my knife blade, or my blade, tried to chew up my cardstock right there for whatever reason, so I'm covering that. We're just going to glue that on there. So you're going to have something, oops, make sure you get yours even. Mine's not quite even, have a little orange showing down there, but that's okay. And then you're just going to wrap this around your cookie tube. And then you're going to run your ribbon through here, and you're going to tie that. And I like to glue these together. That's totally up to you, whether you do that or not. But I'm going to glue mine just to make it easier for me. Keep it all even. Okay, how cute is this? And of course, if your bag will be flush because you won't have that. But if you use saran wrap like me, just throw a piece of tape on there. You don't really have, once you get that ribbon on there, it's going to hold it pretty securely. And I think I'm going to go with the green on that. I might use all three. We'll see. I had to get one that wasn't open, right? All right. May use all three. I think I will. I'm just going to get a little bit, just enough to run through there and tie a bow of each one. And then I'm going to tie one to the top as well of my treat bag or saran wrap, whatever it is you're using. It's not open either. I usually don't have any trouble finding the start and stop point of these, but of course today I'm in a hurry and trying to film, so it's going to give me a problem. There we go. Didn't want to pick the ribbon itself. Just going to take the 3 of these, and of course you can just use one color. You don't have to use 3 like I am. And I'm just going to hold that together and run them right in. Pull them through. Got 2, missed one. There we go. And then we're just going to tie our bow. Tying with 3 strands is not as easy. I kind of like that. I think I will just leave it knotted. You can tie a bow or leave it knotted, totally up to you. I think I'm just going to do a knot. Kind of like the way that that looked, how wild it was. For this, for something else I may tie a bow if it was all Christmassy and stuff. Curling ribbon would be really super cute on this. And then of course you can shorten these and cut them off to the length that you need. And then you're just going to come in. I'm just going to tie one just for time purposes. Since I'm in a hurry, I do apologize for that. I'm going to just tie. You're going to pretend that this is your treat bag and you've got a much bigger tail than what I have here. But I used about 8 Oreos. 10 might even be better, but keep in mind the more Oreos you put in there, the bigger or taller you're going to need that to be. Okay? So that will kind of finish it off. I am going to go ahead and trim my ribbons. I'm not going to make you guys sit there and watch me trim ribbons. Take my photos and get on the road. But you guys enjoy this tutorial. Make sure that you post yours in the group. Let's see what yours look like. Pick your different colors. You can put rhinestones on here. You can use Nuvo drops. All sorts of stuff and ways to decorate this up. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will catch you on Monday.